Okay, we have a little bit of a different angle here, completely by accident. I don't know what I did. I'm basically vibrating with excitement today because, oh, okay. Here, do I look professional for you? I've got some sensible earrings on. I've got a deep side part. I've got a turtleneck, leopard print. Today is a momentous day because I have a major thing happening here. The day that it launched, I jammed online and I purchased the newest release from Trixie Cosmetics, 5 lipsticks and 5 corresponding lip liners for her 9 to 5 collection. I think that's what it's called. Today, we are going to try on all the lipsticks, all the lip liners. I have not yet opened this box. We're gonna have a first look at what the lipsticks are like. I'm gonna try them on for you. So let's get into it. You're seeing a little bit of my makeup storage here. This is basically, they're organized, I promise you. I brought my box cutter out here and now I don't know what I did with it. So I'm gonna have my box cutter floating around my house, which is not the first or second time that's happened. So I'm just using a purse to rip open the box. I feel like someone working in an office would do. I'm sure I've done it. Okay, well, it's extremely cute. First of all, yes, it is called the 9 to 5 collection. Excellent. Look at it. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Pink tissue paper, thank you. And this is magnificent. Wait, oop. I literally just hit myself in the mouth with it. There's my Cupid's bow. There's my lip liner Cupid's bow stamped onto that. That's very funny. Here we are, everyone. Okay, here's the PR box. Very, very cute. Oh, okay. Ready for the reveal? Za-za. Za-za-za-za-za. Za-za-za-za-za-za. Okay. All right, it's lipstick. Okay, so we have here Kimberly, Fax Me, Fashionably Late, Work Wife, and HR Hunny. I'm guessing you don't call anybody an HR Hunny. Seems like a violation. We have their corresponding lip liners, so let's get into this. First of all, I do need to. This little pencil sharpener is just as cute as you want it to be. It looks like a tiny purse. It looks like a little duffel bag. Oh God, you can empty it. Oh God, it is very cute. Okay, well, I love that. That might be my favorite part so far. I haven't tried any of the lipsticks. Let's do it. Okay, excuse me, don't mind me. I'm just getting ready to film some B-roll and I wanted to get out some of my beloved vintage glove collection to showcase the lipsticks, so let's get into it. Now what we're gonna do is try all these babies on. So this first color is Kimberly, the lightest one. You can see, like, I would never use this color for definition. It's just so light. No, I don't want to use the camera as a mirror. That's what I don't want to do. Yeah, this just looks like matte pink lipstick to me. So the lipstick is brighter than the lip liner. The lip liner is a little bit more dusty, which I like, but I wish, well, I'm gonna share my thoughts at the end. I'm just gonna use the tissue paper to wipe this off. I was in LA this weekend and I think I got a little bit of a tan. I'm never looking to get a tan, but I think I got one. Maybe on my legs, certainly. I need a tan on my legs. Initial thoughts on swatching all of these with their lip liners is each of the colors on their own are really beautiful. Each of the lip liner colors on their own are really beautiful. Would I combine the lipstick with the matching lip liner? So I'd probably do something like this, very lightly. I do like how smooth this is. This is very smooth. So that's kind of a light layer of the deepest one. This is HR Hunny. lost the lipstick for a second. Okay. And then if we go back on Kimberly, like that's how I would wear it. I just feel like I'm gonna use the deepest lip liner the fastest. So I don't love that. Okay, but let's try on the next one. Okay, so this one is Fax Me. This is very, very pretty. Okay, so it's not all over the full lip. Hopefully this is good for you guys. So we're going in with the lipstick now. It's pretty. I want it with a darker lip liner though. But it's a super pretty color, my God. Fax Me. Woo! Let me try it with Work Wife around the outside. The Work Wife liner, it's more warm brown. It might be a little too warm to provide definition for this, but let's see. Oh no, 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 no. Ooh. Yeah, that's like closer to how I would want to wear this. Always with a darker lip liner. Let me wipe this off because we haven't tried on Work Wife yet. But this Fax Me color is super pretty. I think this looks great. It actually looks great with what I'm wearing. I love that. Love to see it. Okay, let's wipe it off. So next we're gonna do Fashionably Late, the red. I think this is described as like a brick red. I think on camera it looks a little brighter. It's definitely reading as like a very deep, slightly warm red. My lips are dry already. I've literally tried on 2 lipsticks. Just giving them some moisture. Okay. Whoa. Why does this look like Dracula? Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Very, very pretty. That is a pretty color and I like the finish a lot. It is, it's on my teeth already. That definitely happens in the workplace. The lipstick is a lot deeper than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a touch more of a vibrant red, but I still love it. Absolutely love it. I definitely want to use the HR Hunny liner with it. See, when the lipstick goes on, it almost makes the lip liner look a little bit bright. See how around the edge of my lip, it just looks a little bit, it almost looks like my lip is sore. When the lip liner is brighter than the actual color, especially when the lip liner has red in it, orange in it, some sort of red, it can almost make you look a little chapped around the edges, and I don't like that. That's why I like working with a slightly deeper or slightly cooler lip liner because it just adds a little bit of shadow. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Ooh. This is the girl who's plotting. It's not anything serious though. She like doesn't want to keep ordering toner for the copier for the rest of her life. She's plotting. She's thinking about other things that she wants to do. That is so pretty. Okay, cool. That is Fashionably Late. It's gorgeous. Now I'm ready to try Work Wife. This is a lip liner that I'm very interested in. But not necessarily with the Work Wife lipstick. But if I need to be proven wrong on my own channel, I mean, I guess that can happen. Okay. On me, it's like a light, warm brown. It's very warm. And I have a feeling that the lipstick itself is going to be more neutral. So let's see. Okay, work wife. Actually, it's not bad. All right. It actually looks pretty good with the lip liner. I still want to add a deeper lip liner. Are we revealing something about me? This is the matte finish. I don't think I said that. The first 3 lipsticks that I tried on were the buttercream finish, which has a slight sheen. And these last 2, Work Wife and then HR Hunny coming next, these are the matte finish ones. I have both the lip liner and the lipstick on for Work Wife. Now I'm gonna layer on a little bit of HR Hunny, the darkest lip liner, because that's what my soul is telling me to do. I just like a very defined lip. Especially when the color is warmer, I like my lip to be really defined. I like the lip liner itself to be slightly cooler or more gray. This is very pretty. I feel like this is almost like something Sade would wear like in the 90s. So when I pair it with this deeper lip liner, I can see a lot more of the nuance of the lipstick itself, the color, the texture. It's more of a neutral brown, I would say. Not terribly warm on me. I feel like my skin looks a lot warmer than the brown. Okay. But I just feel like a deeper lip liner really just reveals secrets about whatever color you're using. All right. Okay, so that was your Work Wife calling. Okay, and now we're going in for the last one, which is HR Hunny. Lip liner in first. Okay, this I like in a dark brown. It has a little bit, once again, little nuance to it. There's almost like a tiny bit of a smoky plum, tiny drop of smoky plum in this dark brown. Now we're gonna go in with the lipstick. I'm very curious because it swatched a little bit patchy, and it is the matte formula, it's not the cream formula. Imagine if I was like in the bathroom at work trying on all these lipsticks. I would do it. This one is not my favorite on me, even though now I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm like, hold on, is it? Looks very good with what I'm wearing. Okay, well, first of all, it's not patchy at all. Extremely smooth. But like, you're gonna hear it from me again. I want to wear this with a deeper lip liner. It just looks a little unfinished to me at the edge. With a lip liner that is the exact color of a deep color like this, I just want it to be finished a little more. I mean, I suppose you could go in with your concealer and just kind of sharpen this up if you just wanted like flat, even color. But I think for me and my preferences, I just want the lip liners to be a little bit deeper. Hold on, let me go try and find a lip liner so I can illustrate what I mean. Okay, I found a lip liner. This one is from Dose of Colors. This is from the Nima Tang collection. It's the chocolate chip lip liner. So this is like a very blackened, deep brown. I mean, honestly, you could use like a brown eyeliner. MAC has one called Coffee that would be excellent for this. That was actually the one that I was looking for, but then I was like, oh, this is also perfect. So let me blend it out with HR Hunny. Sort of smudge that lip liner out. There, like that looks finished to me. Yeah, it is a pretty lipstick. I mean, it's very pretty. Is it like a thing I would choose for myself usually? Probably not. I tend to go like vampy on the side of red or like black cherry, like that kind of a thing. Now that I'm looking at it, like I'm looking at it in the viewfinder here, and I'm like, it looks really good there. I mean, would I wear this? Like, of course I would. Okay, I'm changing my tune. I'm lying. All right, to sum up, final thoughts. Which one do I think is my favorite? I mean, the lipsticks, oh God, I think my favorite ones were, hardcore favorites are gonna be Fashionably Late, the red, Fax Me, this like terracotta color. Ugh. Work Wife, also extremely pretty. I feel like this is a theme here. This looks like a little 1970s going out to Studio 54 kind of lip trio here. The middle shades for me, I think, are the ones that won my heart easily and with the most vigor. But like the more I'm looking at HR Hunny, I'm like, you're very cute. You make me look cute. I see very little problem here. Wow, I'm speaking like I'm working in HR. Kimberly is pretty too. You know what I mean? It's like the ones that really made me go, ooh, were the three middle shades. The lip liners, the formula I really like. I love a creamy lip liner that then sets down. These two, Work Wife and HR Hunny, are probably the lip liners that I'm gonna run out of the fastest because I would wanna use them with every other color. I'm not using the corresponding lip liner with these colors. I like more dimension in my lip look, so I like it to be deeper on the outside or cooler to give that sort of idea of shadow. So that's something that I hope for future collections. Not a lip liner that is almost exactly the color of the corresponding lipstick. I would want something maybe with a dash of brownish gray. If this Kimberly lip liner was a little bit more browny gray, like neutral browny gray, they would have a future icon on their hands. I think this would be a lip liner that people couldn't get enough of if there was a little bit more, there's a little bit more shadow to it. I think this could be it. That's my take. I'm curious, what did you think of this? Was this helpful? Were you curious? Were you like, what do these lipsticks even look like on a person in a leopard print turtleneck? And to that question, I have provided you with an answer. Hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed our time together as much as I have. I've really enjoyed myself. I've stressed a little bit. I've gotten to incorporate a piece of my vintage glove collection, so that always makes me feel thrilled beyond belief. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Are there any lipsticks that you're particularly drawn to? Particularly? Whoa, am I from Philly now? Okay. Are there any lipsticks that you have seen in this video today that you are particularly drawn to? I would love to know. I do have a few other lipsticks from the Trixie Cosmetics universe that I could also try on. I was also thinking of doing like a lip combos video, a little bit more of an expansion on what I did here today, pairing them with different lip liners or glosses or whatever. So let me know if you'd like to see that. And until the next time, later, skaters. Give you a little chocolate kiss there. Don't be alarmed. A sensual woman is talking to you. If you're feeling a little bereft that this video is already over, I know. You're like, what do I even do now? If you'd like more of me, more of this, you and me on YouTube kicking it with some videos, then click right here. That almost popped my neck and I felt it. Then click right here. And I'll see you in the next one.